Ma'am, please carry on, ma'am.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. This is Divya, Technical Assistant, working in your college. Today we are going to see about Today we are going to see about MS Office basic and its shortcut keys. What is MS Word?
1 second, ma'am. Sorry for the interruption. Guys, if you have any doubt in between, just put in the chat box. Ma'am will answer for that. Okay, ma'am, you can carry on.
What is MS Word? If you know the answer means, please put it in the chat box. Okay. MS Word is a word processing program which can be used to type and edit and save your document. What is the uses of the document? What is the uses of MS Word? Anyone please answer me? What is the uses of the MS Word? Okay, the uses of MS Word is used to create documentation, resumes, letters, reports, etc. The main features of MS Word is to format and edit your document in the possible way. Where do we find MS Word on your computer? In your PC, select Start button, go to All Programs. In that MS Office, we get MS Word. What is the extension of the MS Word file? Anyone answer me, what is the extension of the MS Word? If you know the answer means, please put it in the chat box. Extension of the MS Word. Yeah, right. .docx is the extension of the MS Word. Extension means shortest form of a file type. Now we are going to see the MS Word file. This is the MS Word sheet. Here, left top of the corner, MS Office button. Click on that. These are the list of the commands. New command is used to create new document. Click new, create new. Open command is used to already we are typed and saved the document in your PC. You click the open, we get already typed the document in saved in your PC. We got it. Next, save option. Save option is used to save the current used file. Next, save as option. Save as option is used copy the file in the different folder to save and copy the same file in different folder. Print option is used to print the hard copy of the current file. Prepare option is used to you can view and edit the document properties like title, keywords, etc. Send option share your document to the other users. Publish command is used to distribute the document to the other users via email or in anything. Close command is used to exit the Word document. Are you clear now? MS Office button. Please answer me if you clear, okay or yes, anything. Put it in your chat box. Okay.
Guys, please be interactive, guys. Please.
Features of MS Word. Here, these are the features: home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, and view. Now we are going to see these features in the okay. First is home tab. Home tab includes 5 options: clipboard, font, paragraph, style, editing. First, clipboard. Clipboard enable
It's
to
not visible. It's not visible.
now are you visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Home tab contains 5 commands: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing. First is clipboard. Clipboard enables to cut, copy, or format the text from one document to another or in the same document. Example, if you select the text, go to cut option and paste it somewhere in the same document. This is works under the clipboard option. Next is font. Font option enables to font style, font size, highlight the around the text, bold the letters, underline the letters. These are comes under font size. First, we select the text. If you want to change the font style, go to font style. If you vary the size, click the size. If you want to bold the text, Control B. If you want italic your word, Control I. If you want to highlight the line, underline the line, Control U. You want to highlight your word, select highlight the text. If you want your word to be subscript, select subscript means you create a text below the baseline like this. Superscript means you select the text above the line. See the difference? Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Okay, next paragraph. Paragraph or nothing but alignment. Alignment is nothing but just you want the to take just you justify the text on the page. If select the text, text to be left, click Control L. The text to be right, Control R. If your text selected text, Control Center, Control E. Next is numbering or bulleting. The user want to select the text to be bulleting, select the bulleting option. The user want to change the text to be numbering, select numbering option. Line spacing means the line between the text. Selecting the text, click the line spacing option. If you want, give the line space like 2, select 2. If you want 2.5, give 2.5. Next, styles. Styles is nothing but modify your heading types. Example, select your text, give any one of the heading type. This comes under styles. Editing. Editing option enables to find or replace your selected text. The user want to find the text, click find, type, find next. What you enter the word, it's come to be highlighted. Now you want to replace it as TA, replace it as TA. Everyone clear? Guys clear? Home tab is clear? Okay. Next tab is Insert tab. Insert tab contains pages, tables, illustration, link, header and footer, text, symbols. Insert. First one is page. Cover page enable to use insert pre-formatted cover page for your document. If your document need to be the cover page, you select the inbuilt cover page. To insert, click on the cover page. Whatever cover page do you select, it will appear on your document. Next one is blank page. Blank page is used to insert a blank page. Click on the cursor position. Break page used to insert end a page at the current cursor position to add a new page. Next, tables. To insert a table, select number of rows, number of columns and drag on it. You get a table. Next one, illustration. Illustration has 5 options: pictures, clipboard, shapes, smart art, chart. Picture is nothing but used to insert a picture from a file of a PC into a document. If I click picture, your PC save what are all the pictures you are saved in the PC, it displayed. Insert. This is picture option. Next, clipboard. If you click that clipboard, the right side task panel will be disappear. Enter the keyword, click go. Some of the clipboard images appear. Drag in the document.
It's not visible.
Which one? Now or from the beginning?
I think from the beginning, the illustration.
From the beginning of illustration.
Yes. Now visible, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, shapes. Shapes is used to insert ready-made shapes like circle, cylinder, triangle, rectangle, smileys, some line, arrows, etc. Click the shape. Some inbuilt shapes contain in the MS Word. If I want arrow, click arrow, down arrow, drag on it. Next, one smiley, click smiley and drag on it. Smart art is nothing to insert a smart art graphically to visually communicate it. Next, chart. Chart is used to insert comparing the data. Chart contains lot of types: bar chart, pie chart, line chart. You want pie chart, click pie and drag on it. Next, header and footer. Header is used to insert the text at the top of the page. Click header at the top of the page, header. Footer is used to insert the text at the bottom of the each page. Select footer at the bottom of the page. Page number, if you create the reports or documents, something, if you want to give a page number, select wherever you want. Top of the page means give top of the page. Bottom of the page, select bottom of the page. Next one, symbols. In MS Word, we can't write some of the equation, some of the mathematical expression we can't write. So that they are inbuilt equations and symbols in the select equation, area of circle equation, select that and click on. Are you clear? Insert tab. Guys, clear? Insert tab. Next one is page layout tab. Page layout holds to arrange your page what the way you want. Next, page layout. Page layout contains 5 commands: themes, page setup, page background, paragraph, arrange. Themes is used to insert the entire document or current page. You want what themes you want. Select theme. Next is page setup. Page setups, first one is margin. Select the margin set for the current position or entire document. Narrow, select moderate like this. Select wide like this. Orientation have two types. One is portrait layout and landscape layout. Portrait layout will be like this. Landscape layout like this. Signs. If your document want to be letter size, give letter or A3 or A4 like this. Page background. Page background, if your document the user want to give the page background like watermark, select watermark. Draft, confidential like this. Page color, choose the background of the page. Page border, to change the border around the page like box. Paragraph is nothing but alignment. Select the text after spacing, before spacing. Indent means left. Move the text to be left of the side in the paragraph. Page layout tab is clear. next. Next one is reference tab. Reference tab is used to insert reference element, table of content, footnote, etc. Now we are going to see the reference tab. Table of contents is to organize listing of your document like chapters, subsections, page number, etc. include in the table of content. Footnotes is a note that appear at the bottom of the page used by the document writers. Next is mailing. Mailing tab allows you to send large number of data to consequently with the different persons using mail merge option. Next one is review option. Review option Review option contains to check the spelling and grammar in a document or add or remove your comments. The user want to proofread the document to check the spelling or grammar mistake, etc. View option is to view overall the document in the possible ways. First, print layout, full screen, outline, draft, zoom, 2 pages, 1 pages, page width, Windows options, new window or arrange all, split the window like this. These are comes under view option. How to use shortcut keys in MS Word. If you want to open a document, Control O, open a document. If you create a new document, Control C. To save the document, the shortcut key is Control S. The selected text to be bold, Control B. The selected text to be underlined, Control U. The selected text want to cut, control X. Want to
Not
copy.
visible, ma'am. Not visible.
The selected text want to cut, control X. The selected text to be pasted in the document, the shortcut key is control V. The selected text to be bold, control B.
Not
Control
visible, ma'am. Not visible. Your PPT only visible for us.
now.
Yes, ma'am.
The selected text to be underlined, control U. Next, shortcut keys for formatting the text. Next, how to apply line spacing for shortcut key. Select the text you want, the line spacing 1, control 1, 1.5, 5, 2, line spacing 2, give control 2. Next one, shortcut keys for Alt plus Shift plus Alt. To insert the current time, Shift plus Alt plus D, current date. Insert the current time, Shift Control T, the current time. Guys, clear? Shift Alt D gives time. Shift Alt T gives insert current time. Any questions? If you have any questions, please put it in the chat box.
Guys, everybody clear? Deleting a page. Nivedita, ma'am. Deleting a page. Ma'am, how to insert an already saved Excel sheet in MS Office?
Already saved.
Already, yes.
How to insert an already. Already you are saved in the Excel in your PC. Just copy and paste in your MS Word. That's it.
Okay, guys, now we have a small test. So, ma'am will ask a question. If you know the answer means, please raise your hand. So we will unmute you, or you can answer in the chat box. Okay, are you ready, guys? Yes. Okay, ma'am. We can start, ma'am. You can ask your questions here.
In MS Word, Control C option is used for okay. Copy is the right answer. Next one. Which of the following software is used for making resume? MS Word is right. Subhasri, right answer. The valid format for MS Word is, or otherwise, what is the extension of MS Word? Charulata. .docx. Yes, correct. Thank you. Shortcut to open the document. What is the shortcut to open the document? Which enables us to send the same letter to different person. To send the large amount of data to different person, what option will be used? Yeah, mailing. Nivedita. It's correct. The function of control B is in MS Word is right, bold. What is the shortcut key to central align the selected text? Charulata, right answer, Control E. Landscape comes under which option? Which option contains landscape? Page orientation is right. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for this wonderful session. The next session is going to handle by Ms. Niranjana, ma'am. The topic is MS Excel Basics. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can I start the session?
Yes, ma'am, you can start, ma'am.
Hello guys, this is Niranjana, Technical Assistant working in our college. Good afternoon to everyone. I'm going to tell about the basic things in MS Excel. Let's go to the session now. The basic concepts of Microsoft Excel. These are the topics I'm going to tell you about today. Let's go to the introduction part now, where we can find Microsoft Excel. In our PC, go to Start menu, All Programs, Microsoft Office. In that, select MS Excel, that is Microsoft Excel. What is MS Excel? Can anyone send what is MS Excel? If you know, put the answers in chat box. Yes, correct. Okay. Now, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application. It also known as an electronic spreadsheet programming application. What are the uses of MS Excel? We can use MS Excel to enter and store many data in a single sheet and also do calculations part also and so many things in the single Excel sheets. We can use MS Excel for other calculation process and to use for graphics, put graph and bar charts also in MS Excel. What is the extension of an MS Excel? To save files in MS Excel, the extension is .xlsx. This is the extension for MS Excel. And the format is workbook, Excel workbook. Let's see the MS Excel page. This is the full view of the Excel page where we work here in this table part. In this, we have so many tables with columns and rows. What are the features of Excel? I have shown some features: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. These are also called as tabs. Data can be used to store, and the data can also be filtered and sorted using the filter and sort menu in the home tab. Formatting of spreadsheet. Formatting of spreadsheet is nothing but we can change the font style and font format or size or color of the values or data entered in the Excel sheet by using the Format Painter option, which will be displayed in the Home tab. We can see the Format Painter in Home tab itself. Next, what are the vocabularies in Excel? Here I have attached the image with pointing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 to 6. These are the vocabularies in a worksheet. Excel. 1 is a workbook. Workbook is by default, the title of the Excel sheet will be named as workbook. We can save the file. The saved file name will be displayed as what the file has saved as here. Book name will be renamed as the saved file's name. Number 2, this is the ribbons. The rectangular area here displayed here is the ribbons. Ribbon is nothing but the tabs and the sub tabs are combined together or called as ribbons. Number 3 is the name box and formula bar. Here is the name box. Name box is nothing but the column and the intersection of column name and the row name will be addressed in the name box here. Here, column, I have selected this cell A1. So this cell, the intersection of column A and the intersection of row 1 is named here as A1. In formula box, we can see the formulas which we enter here will be displayed in the formula bar or function bar. We can also say that as function bar. Number 5 is window, worksheet navigation button. This place is a worksheet navigation button. Here we can see the sheet 1. This is the worksheet tab or the sheet name tab, which shows the sheet name here. Number 6 is status bar. In status bar, here the status bar is displayed as ready. Whenever you type something here, before typing here, the when we place place the arrow cursor in the cell will be the status bar in that there will be showing as ready status, ready mode. When we type something, it will be changed as enter mode, and after entering, the mode will be changed as editing mode. In status bar, we can see 3 types of modes: ready, enter, and edit mode. These will be in the status bar. Next. These are the vocabularies I have told before. Box 1, ribbon, name box, formula bar, columns, rows, status bar. I will show you these clearly later in practical section. What are the components of Excel sheet? The 3 most important basic components of Excel sheet, which we need to understand first is, number 1 is cell, worksheet, and the workbook. Cell. The first is cell. What is a cell? Intersection of a row and a column is called as a cell. In this image, you can see column as named as alphabets, that is letters A, B, C, D goes on, and the rows are named as numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. This is the cell. I have selected this cell and the intersection of column C and the intersection of column row 8. So the cell address is C8. That is, the cell name is C8. This is about the cell. Is it clear? Okay, next. Worksheet. What is a worksheet? Generally, a worksheet is a collection of cells. These are the collection of cells. Excel is fully based on tables only with rows and columns. Each Excel workbook can contain multiple worksheets. This is the worksheet. We can add so many worksheets by clicking this plus button. How to select a worksheet? Excel is automatically selected sheet 1 by default itself. The sheet name will appear at the bottom of the window. Here you can see in this image at the bottom, sheet 1 is displayed, appeared by default itself. The sheet name can be renamed also. Sheet 1 as renamed by, I will tell you at the next slide. How to insert a worksheet? You can insert as many worksheets as you want. That is, we can insert many worksheets in a single Excel sheet, Excel workbook. To insert a worksheet, just click on the sheet tab or the plus symbol. Just click the plus symbol, the sheet 2 will be inserted. Likewise, you can insert many sheets in a single workbook. By default, in a worksheet, that is workbook, 3 sheets will be appeared. Whenever you open a new Excel sheet, 3 sheets will be appeared by default itself. How to rename a worksheet? To rename a worksheet, more specific name, to rename a worksheet, just right click on the sheet tab here. In this, you can see this image. Just right click on the sheet tab. This pop-up menu will be appeared here. Click on the rename menu. You can rename what name you want to renamed as. Here I have renamed as sales 2016. So sheet 1 as renamed as sales 2016. You can rename by these steps. Next, how to move a worksheet. To move a worksheet from one place to another, use the following steps which I tell you. Just click the sheet 1, that is the first sheet, and just drag and drop at the next sheet's place. If you change that, it will be changed like this. I have shown the result also. The sales 2016 has repositioned to sheet 2's place, and the sheet 1 has moved to sheet 1's place. This is by these 4 steps you can move the worksheet. How to delete a worksheet? Next, to delete a worksheet, same as just click on the sheet tab, pop-up menu will be appearing, select delete option. The sheet which you want to delete will be deleted by clicking this menu. So here the sheet 2 has been deleted, only sales 2016 is here. Next, what is a workbook? Workbook is nothing but it is a file that contains one or more worksheets to store different data. Here, this is the workbook. We can store different data in each sheet or in a single sheet also. These are, I have mentioned some concepts here. These are the concepts in a worksheet. This is the full workbook. I have attached the image here. This is the full workbook. I will explain it later. These are the things I have mentioned in that image: active cell, columns, rows, fill handle, address bar, formula bar, title bar, file menu, access toolbar, tabs, worksheets, and status bar. Wrapping text and merging text. Whenever you have too much of cell content in a single cell, the next cell also will get occupied by the first text. That is, if you type something in a single cell, the text, if the text is large, the next cell will be also occupied. In that situation, you may decide to wrap the text or merge the text rather than resizing the column or a row's size. Wrapping. To select, use the wrap text command, select the cells you wish to wrap and go to the wrap text command, which will be in the home tab. Now the cell which is selected will be wrapped. What is merging? Same, select the cells which you want to merge the content or combine the contents together. Go to the home tab. In that, you can see merge and center command option. Select the selected cells will be centered by using merge option. I will show you the Excel. To merge or wrap the text, I will give you an example. This is the text which I have entered. This text is occupied by this cell also. So this cell from this cell. So I want to wrap the text, means select the text, go to home tab, wrap text option. Now the text is wrapped, but the row's size has been increased. The row height has increased. So you don't want to change the row height, means just select the text, go to merge and center option. Now these two cells has been merged. You can see here. the cell has been merged. This is how you can merge and wrap the text. Next, how to use the functions. I have mentioned some functions here: sum, average, count, maximum, and minimum. Sum is nothing but the functions used to add the values in the cells which we have given. If you have given two values, just select those two values and you can add those two values. This process is called sum functioning. Average. Average is used to get the values of some of the cells, and by dividing the values, the remaining answer will be as average. Count. Count is nothing but the count of the number of cells which we have given values. Maximum. From the values which we have given, in that those values we can see, we can get the largest value, that is highest cells value. Minimum. Minimum is same as the maximum, but it gives the lowest cells value. Next, AutoSum option. AutoSum option will be displayed in the Home tab. You can see Home tab. In Home tab, you can see the AutoSum option. Just click on the drop-down menu. You can see these options in it. I will show you now. I have given some examples for AutoSum options. In Home tab, you can, at the last, you can see in editing group, you can see the AutoSum option. Just click the drop down menu. You can see those functions which I've told before: sum, average, count, numbers, maximum, and minimum. So I just want to know the sum means. Just select these values, go to AutoSum option, select sum. You can see here the sum of these number is 30. Next, if you want to get the average means, select those values, go to average. So the average is 6. Average of these value is 6. Next, I want to know about the count number means, number of count is 5. I have given 5 values, so the count is 5. Next, maximum value. Here 10 is the maximum value, so the maximum value is displayed as 10. Minimum value is 2. By using this AutoSum option, we can do these functions: sum, average, count, maximum value, and the minimum value. Next, I have given some tips. These two tips which I have used recently. First is how to rearrange the name list. Example, I have given some name which has been in caps and also in small. This is the function equal to proper brackets, open and close brackets. If you enter this value, enter equal to proper brackets. Inside the brackets, you have to give the cell range, that is cell name inside it. I have just, for example, I have gave A2. If you have selected some cell like B2 or C2 or anything, now just enter. The answer will be as what is the use of equal to proper brackets, function is, it will changes the letter or the text of first letter as uppercase and all other letters as into lowercase. This is the use of equal to proper function. Next, how to combine the cells. To combine two different cells, use this function equal to A2 ampersand double quotes, comma, double quotes, ampersand B2. This A2 and B2 is an example cell range, cell name I have mentioned. The main thing is equal to for every calculation part. I will show you how to use these functions. This is the example. For rearrange the name, just put equal to proper open bracket. In this cell, the cell name is G and the column name is G and the row name is 8. So the cell name will be G8. Just close the bracket and click enter. You can see the changes. The first letter of this text will be changed into uppercase and all other letters will be changed into lowercase. Is it clear? Next, how to combine two text. For combining two cells equal to the cell name here is G8 and H8. Ampersand, double quotes, comma, again double quotes, again ampersand, H8. Just enter. You can see the changes. The two cells has been combined together. If you want to combine this value and this value means equal to G11 ampersand double quotes, comma, double quotes, again ampersand, H8, enter. Like this only, it will combine the two cells. If you want to copy the text from here to any other place, see this. I want to change the cell from here, sorry. Copy and place it here. It won't appear the same text because some pop-up menu will be appear. Just click on the drop-down menu, select values only. If you didn't select values only, it won't give the exact renamed or combined values. Only after giving values only option, it will show the text which we have rechanged and combined together. Is it clear, girls? Next. Shortcut keys. I have given some few shortcut keys for Excels. Control plus space bar, it will select the entire column. To select the entire row, shift plus space bar. For inserting or deleting, use the shortcut key as Ctrl plus F for inserting, Ctrl plus minus for deleting. Ctrl plus T is used to create a new table. Ctrl plus T to drag down, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus D. To select AutoSum option, we can use this shortcut key Alt plus equal to. So we can get the AutoSum option by using this shortcut key rather than going to Home tab and selecting Home AutoSum option. F4 to repeat the last action. Format painting. I have told at the first Home tab you can see a format painter option. Next, Control plus Shift plus L to apply filter. To save a workbook, Control plus S. To close Excel, Control plus F4 is used. To undo and redo, the shortcut keys are Control plus Z and Control plus Y. And last, to insert a new worksheet, Shift plus 11 is used. These are some of the few Excel shortcut keys I have given. There are so many shortcut keys are there for Excel also. Now I will show some practical session in Excel sheet. This is the full worksheet, Excel worksheet. These are the tabs which I have told: Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. And these are the groups. Each Home tab, Insert tab, each tabs are having different types of groups. You can see here. These groups and tabs are called as, combined together, are called as ribbon. This rectangular space is called as ribbon. In a single worksheet, Excel sheet, we have 16,384 columns in it and 10,48,576 rows in a single worksheet. So we can use, we can store huge amount of data in a single sheet. Each single sheet has this amount of rows and columns. I have shown here, you can see it. This is the last column name XFD of this single sheet. And this is the last row name of a single sheet. The last column name is XFD and the last row name is 10,48,576. So here in name box, you can see the column's name and the row's name appeared. Worksheet tabs. These are the worksheet tabs. I have given some sheet 1, wrapping and merging, some kind of names here. These are all the sheet tabs. I have told in status bar, you can see the mode. If you enter something, it will be in enter mode. You can see it here, enter mode. I have entering. If you want to edit this, the mode will be changed into edit. If you place the cursor in any of the cells, the mode will be at first ready mode. Next, when you type something, it will be changed into enter mode. If you want to edit enter mode, if you want to edit it, it will be changed into edit mode. You can see it here. Let's see how to wrap and merge a text. I have shown before. Once again, I am telling this. When you want to wrap the text, select the text and go to wrap. it will be wrapped. If you don't want to wrap, just want to merge means select the text and use wrap and merge and center option. This is wrap and merging option. Next, I want to tell about the fill handle concept. Fill handle is nothing but in Excel, if you select any, sorry, if you place the cursor or select any cell, the cursor will be like this. If you move the cursor to the cell, it will be changed into four-side arrows. You can see this arrow. If it comes, then the process we are going to do is moving the cell. Whenever the arrow, four-side arrow has appeared, we are just doing the cell to move here and there. If you move the cursor at the edge, the small cube, the cursor will be changed into plus sign symbol. If it appears, then the process is going to do is fill handle series option process. Here I have given some examples. Here I want to just use the fill handle option. Just select the cell, enter. I want to use the fill handle option, just drag down. You can drag vertically or horizontally or vertically. Then you use the fill handle option. For example, I'm using the fill handle option. It will show some pop-up menu at the end. So click on the drop-down box, drop-down menu. In that menu, you can see the fill series option. If you select the fill series option, it will fill the series continuously, 1, 2, 3, likewise. If you didn't select fill series, it will simply copy the text like this. Here I have given date. You can also fill the series to date also. Whenever you want to use fill series for date, check the system's date format. In my system, it is date, month, and year. In some of the systems, it will be month, date, and year. So please check and use the fill series option for dates. We can use fill series to days also, for month also. If these spellings were correct, it will give the fill series option. If don't, it will not appear the fill series. We can't use fill series for text. It will only copy the text only. It won't give fill series to these text. These are the fill handle used to fill the series for the given data. Next, some calculations, simple calculations. Whenever you do some calculation part, the first most important thing is equal to symbol. If you don't put equal to symbol and doing some calculations, it won't give the values, correct values. It will simply give the number which you have. For example, I just want to know the amount of the rice. 5 quantity rate is 50. So I just want to multiply 5 into 50. If you enter, it won't give the correct answer because we didn't mention equal to symbol. So the most important thing is equal to symbol for every calculation in Excel. So equal to, just select the text which we want to know the amount. I have selected C5 into the rate C6. Just enter. Now we can see the amount, price amount. It will display the price amount here. Likewise, for add, sum, multiply, divide also. What is the main important process to calculate? First main important thing to calculate. Can anyone send the answer in chat box? Guys, what is the first important thing for calculation? Anybody knows the answer? Put the answer in the chat box. Okay, I'll say equal to. For adding, select the text plus this cell, enter. The addition of these two values is displayed here. For sum, equal to this value, this cell's value minus this cell, enter. For multiplication, equal to this cell into this cell. For division, equal to select the cell divided by this cell. This is the simple calculations: add, sum, multiply, and divide. By putting equal to symbol only, we can do the process for calculations. These are the simple things which I want to share with you. Is there any questions?
Shall we go for a small test? Ma'am, please ask a question, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What is the intersection of column and row name called as? The intersection part of column and row is called as what? Yes, correct. Right answer. Thank you. Next question. How many rows are there in a single sheet, Excel sheet? How many rows? Gayatri Vishwanathan is correct. So the answer is 10,48,576 rows, not 100. So next question. Fill handle is used for, what is the purpose of fill handle? What is the purpose of fill handle? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, please tell the answer, ma'am. Doesn't know the answer.
To fill, to give the fill series, Okay, next. What is the function to combine the cells? To combine two different cells. No, the function. What function is used to combine two cells? Equal to A2 ampersand, double quotes, comma, ampersand B2. That's the answer. Next. Uses of Excel. What is the uses of Excel? Yes, correct. Okay, thank you, girls.
Thank you, girls. So I'm posting feedback form in the chat box for both the session. Guys, how was the session, guys? Please unmute and talk or raise your hands. We need your feedback.